Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and we're doing Musette, song number 2 in Suzuki Violin Book 2. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters tool below and skip ahead. Tutorial. So, what is a musette? A musette is a smaller version of a bagpipe, sort of a medium, small bagpipe. And, it has a similar quality, that sort of hypnotic sound with the drone wafting through the air. So with our violin playing, we're going to want to use smooth bows, smooth string crossings, and slurs. And there lies the difficulty. So there are 2 sections in the song that cause the most problems for my students. First section measures 9, 10, and 11. Okay, I affectionately call this the toilet bowl, and you'll hear why. Right? Flush, down the vortex. Okay, this one should be practiced slowly. Minimums in the string crossings, I'll play it this way so you can see the string crossings. You have to prepare your 4. I'll tell you when. Here we go. 4, 4. Alright, so practice that slowly and then scale it up to speed. The last 5 beats are the hardest part of this entire song, deceptively difficult. Here we are. Sounds so sweet, so easy. Difficult. Alright, because of string crossings and slurs over the string crossings. So I like to break it down. First we need to identify the melody. So the first note of the last 5 beats, we're going to isolate those. Up bow, 1 on E. 3, 1, A3. So this is our melody. The undercurrent that's there is the ostinato sort of accompanying. Okay, so that's not the melody. So now that we've isolated the melody and the important notes that we want to bring out, let's get the string crossings to be smooth. So I'm going to show here, we're going to do 1A, 3A, 1A, 3. Okay, and now we're going to do walking fingers once we get that to do 1, 2, 3, A, 3, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, A, 3. So walking across the strings, don't lift them up unnecessarily. Here we are. Okay, and that's it. So practice that again, scale it up. You maybe use less bow if you're having trouble with the string crossings, and then just really find the minimums there. Alright, playthrough. It's marked as andante pastoral, which means sort of a calm walk. But the problem is it's in 2, which means that it's in double cut time. So it's going to be a brisk walk. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 1. Alright, how'd you do? Let me know. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you're successful, practice slowly. I will see you in the next song. Bye.